This is how long the cord is for this vacuum cleaner. It does pick up very well. It's easy to use. Step on it and turn it on. Taking it apart because it stopped spinning. It stopped spinning because this thin belt pops off just from me moving it with my fingers. As you can see, that's what happens, and then the belt pops off. I was told that something's pulling on it and that it is normal for a belt to stretch after a month's use. Don't waste your money, not if you're going to have to continuously buy belts.
This is the vacuum I received. You can't even run it because it keeps shocking me. I thought it was me, so I had my son try it, and he kept getting shocked. So, as far as that, I'm probably going to rate it a 2. It does have good power, good suction.